How to translate text using Google Lens application. Are you guys facing issues to translate text using Google Lens app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Google app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, you can see the icon for Google Lens right beside the mic icon. Click on it. After you click on it, now place your camera to the text. Once you place it, click on source icon. After you click on it, Google Lens will provide the details regarding that text. And that's it guys, that's how we're going to translate our text using Google Lens. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding Google Lens, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.